Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this little construction thing. But first we're missing the wheels. So first, I'm going to take this off here. And then I have this off. Gotta keep this together like that right here. Gotta take the character off too. Taking the wheels off. And then I'll take this thing off. And then this. Just these little blocks here. There's two of them. Then we'll take off this, that, and then another black block, and this. So, start putting it together. So I'm going to start putting it together. This is what the first thing is going to look like. And then you take these two things, like this, and it'll look like this. This one like this. It's gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna take this. Gonna look the same up and down. And then you're gonna take this. I'll put the roof on before, like that. And then gonna put it on like this. Then I'm gonna put the wheels on like this. I'm gonna go find another pair. Wait, I think I might have put it backwards here. Yeah, I put it backwards. It goes like this. Put that one here, and I put this one here. And then I put it on like this, and there you go. Here you have that, and then you put your character in like that, and and then there you have it, your Lego car. But I'm gonna go try to find some wheels. So there's some wheels that I might want. Do you think these wheels would work? I could swap them out because we have two pairs of wheels, but we only have one pair of the first pair. So I'm going to be doing these wheels today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these wheels off here, put them on like this here, like that, and then that. But it kind of looks different now. So there you have it. There you have it. How you make this.